Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ganesh studying BE first year computer science in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today's subject is Introduction to Civil Engineering. The topic is on societal and global impact of infrastructure. The topics to be learned in this video are water supply and sanitary systems, urban air pollution management, solid waste management, category of waste, sources of solid waste, recovery and recycling, and next urban flood control. First, water supply and sanitary systems. Water supply systems. A water supply system refers to the network of facilities that deliver water from a source to consumers. Civil engineers design these systems to ensure a reliable supply of clean water that meets the needs of a community. Water source. This can be surface water, rivers, lakes, or groundwater such as aquifers. Water treatment. Depending on the source, treatment processes may include filtration, sedimentation, and disinfection to remove impurities and harmful agents. Water pumping stations. These stations pump water from the source to a reservoir or directly into the distribution network. Next, sanitary systems. Sanitary systems collect and safely dispose of wastewater, used water, sewage generated by households, such as commercial establishment and industries. Plumbing systems. These are networks of pipes and fixtures within buildings that collect wastewater. Sewers, a network of underground pipes that transport wastewater from buildings to a treatment plant. Sewage treatment plants. Wastewater undergoes various treatment process to remove contaminants before being discharged into rivers or reused for irrigation. Urban air pollution management. Air pollution. It is a mix of hazardous substances from both human made and natural sources, such as vehicle emissions, fuels, oils, and natural gases to heat homes by products of manufacturing and power generation. Nature releases hazardous substances into the air, such as smoke from wildfires and emission from bikes, which are often caused by people, ash and gases from volcanic eruptions, and gases like methane, which are emitted from decomposing organic matter in soils. Next, in solid waste management, the term solid waste management mainly refers to complete process of collecting, transfer and treatment and disposing of solid waste. In waste management process, the waste are collected from different sources and are disposed of. This process includes collection, transportation, treatment, analysis and disposal of waste. There are some sources of solid waste such as solid domestic garbage, solid waste material from various industries, solid agriculture waste, e-waste, etc. Methods of solid waste management. Sanitary landfill. This is the most popular solid waste disposal method used today. Garbage is basically spread out in thin layers, compressed and covered with soil or plastic. One such method is incineration. This method involves the burning of solid waste at high temperature until the waste are turned into ashes. Incinerators are made in such a way that they do not give off extreme amounts of heat when burning solid waste. Incinerators that recycle heat energy through furnace and boiler are called waste to. Next is recovery and recycling. Recovery and recycling are both important parts of waste management that help conserve resources and reduce our environmental impact. Recovery is a broader term that encompasses all the ways that waste can be diverted from landfill, including reuse, recycling, and energy recovery. Recycling, which means transforming waste materials into new products. For example, plastic bottles can be recycled into new bottles. Next, recycling specifically refers to the process of turning waste materials into new products. This can be done through mechanical or chemical process. Mechanical recycling involves physically breaking down and sorting materials, while chemical recycling uses chemicals to break down materials into their basic components. Urban flood control. Urban flood control is a critical aspect of civil engineering in today's world. As cities grow and natural landscapes are paved over, the risk of flooding increases. Civil engineers employ a variety of strategies to mitigate flood risk and protect urban populations. Here are some of the common methods used for urban flood control. Stormwater drainage systems. These are network of underground pipes, channels and detention basins that collect and convey stormwater runoff away from developed areas. Flood walls and levees. These are linear barriers that physically block floodwaters from entering developed areas. Flood walls are typically vertical walls made of concrete or steel. Flood wall for urban flood control. Diversion channels. These are channels that divert excess stormwater runoff from overwhelmed waterways to storage areas or other water bodies. Next, building sustainable cities. Civil engineers are leading the change in creating eco-friendly urban environments through smart design and renewable energy solutions. Bridging communities. Bridges are more than just structures, they connect people and enable progress. With innovative materials and design, civil engineers are building safer, more resilient connection. Next, harnessing renewable energy. At the forefront of the renewable energy revolution, the innovation projects like wind farms and solar parks are continuing. Next, protecting our environment. On sustainability focuses, civil engineer is dedicated to preserving our natural world through environmental conscious practice. Next, embracing innovation. In the world of civil engineering, innovation is the driving force by embracing cutting edge technology and forward thinking solutions. Lastly, thank you for watching this video. Please watch the full video and like it. Thank you.
Down, down.